Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing crypto exchange which is known as VollyBit. So here we are on the website VollyBit. Smarter trading, bigger profits, faster trades, deeper liquidity, smoother trading experience and much more. You can trade from it using the app as well as using the website as well. They had got best exchange of 2025 award, 256-bit encryption which is really important. Also they are available in 180 plus countries. So guys, down here you can check out their trusted by millions worldwide real-time platform statistics powered by AI. You can check out the total volume generated as well as 24 volume generated is also given here. Down here you can check out the prices of different types of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana and much more. Next generation AI trading features are included such as AI neural trading, quantum speed, military trade, security, AI trading, bots, market predictions, blockchain analysts, as well as smart contracts and big data processing and some of features. Also you can check out the frequently asked questions and details as well. Here on the top you can check out the trade section as well. If you click on it you can check out the spot trades as well as check out the market and more features as well. Also you can apply for listing as well. Just come to the market section and here you can check out the prices. If we click on trade then it will open the chart as well. So let's wait for the chart to load and here you can check out we have the chart right here. We can place the orders as well. Check out the order book as well. Here we can buy as well as sell. So this is really good. Also this exchange has been launched from Dubai, AI powered crypto exchange. So why you should use VollyBit? So they have lightning fast trades, AI driven market insights, ultra secure wallet protection as well as 0% trading fee for early users as well. This is really good. Also the interface is really good. You can check out their free listings, free IEO launchpad, free marketing campaigns as well as website announcement, global press releases as well as social media announcements as well. So they are providing you each and everything and they are really good. You can check out the charts as well and you can also use some other features as well. Here if we come to the ether section you can check out the chart of the Ethereum as well. So each and everything is available on this section. If we come to the more section you can check out their refer program as well as they have an IEO section which is initial exchange offering. So make sure you check it out as well. So VollyBit is really good exchange. It is available in 180 plus countries and you can use this exchange and enhance your trading experience. So I hope so you like this amazing and awesome review about this exchange and may join this exchange as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.